will write download Scratch 1.4, and then the first link we have to write Scratch 1.4 search, and here I am Mac OS X Windows 11 Unboot. So we have to take second one, that is Windows. We have to click it on it and it will start to download. We have downloaded in our PC. So here it open like this. Motion is move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, turn 15 degrees. So in looks they are switch to costume number 2, next costume, and next costume hash. And in sound we have play sound meow until done, stop all sounds. And in pen we have clear, pen down, and pen up. In control we have when flag clicked, when space key pressed, when sprite 1 click. And in the sensing we have touching color, color is touching. And we have operators, that is box plus box, box minus box, and box star box, and box slash box. So in variable, make a variable and make a list. So in the first option we can see that is can rotate, and the second option only face left right, and third option don't rotate. So in costume we have two costumes like this. So in import we have animals, fantasy, dragon number 1, dragon like this. We have the costumes, and sounds we have sounds like meow, and we disable or enable it also like language female like this. In the paint editor we have to have brushes, eraser, and with box, and import square, import circle, import line or light text, or remove page or here and there, put a stamp and the eyedropper. So very okay, so it will become like this. So in this choose new sprite from file it is. So it has animals, fantasy, letters, people, things, and transportation. In transportation we have airplane number 1, back and forth. And in things we have bananas, baseball, and basketball. And in people we have Amon, Julie 1 and Anjuli 2. So we are we have auto, bubbles, and circle. And so in circle we have 0, 1, 2. Till and Z we have. So in fantasy we have dragon number 1A, and fantasy 13, fantasy 14, and fantasy 2. And in animals we have bat A, bat 1B, butterfly 2, etc. So we will okay it, so it will become. It has shrink sprite. It becomes small, and in this grow sprite it will be increased the size. And in this size, in the next one we have delete, so we can delete only sprite. And then we have duplicating one page to another, one sprite to another. So we have this graph screen region for new costume. Export this sprite, duplicate, delete, resize this sprite, rotate this sprite. And then we have in a stage, in a background we can in this stage we have to click and write the background, paint it. We can take a square like this, and we do okay. Then we will do like it will come like this. So import it and outdoors and desert. So we get desert one and we get forest to import it. At last we get this. So and in Canon the flower bed there are many sprites are there in. So in outdoors we are all sports murra and a bench with stage and brick wall and with stairs. In this sports we have baseball field, basketball field, and we are clearing this backgrounds. We will take only one background. It is not very important. So it colors like this. You can color this also, and it has very many shades. It has four. So we will take this site and we will delete it. So we will take stage and we have to take background and import it. And indoors we have to take bedroom number 1 and we have to take a sprite. We will take 2 sprites. People, we can take any sprite. Anuja dance and we have to take grassy dance sitting and we will first decrease the size of the dancing and the sitting. So we have to do control when flag is clicked and forever motions and we will take move 10 steps and you can decrease or increase the size. I have decreased the steps if on and we will take if on edge box. So we will copy it to sprite number 1. So it has copied. So we will start it. So it moves left and right to the wall. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to this video.